because we like power. Okay, so we got one every container, and make sure my big INKBIRD unit fits there. This is a big boy here because we like power, more power. Okay, like it was made for it. Okay, let's plug this in. Okay, we're at 95 degrees, on our way to 122, and then we'll put some steak in. All right, so let me just show you these just to remind you how delicious do these look. Let's put them in, make sure that the vacuum seal works, the sous vide works, the container works, and we have a delicious dinner. Steak uno fits in nicely, held up by that compartment there. Steak dos, perfect. That's great. I'd say I could probably even go to 4 steaks in here. 2 is all that Nikki and I need for dinner when they're that size. All right, I'll see you in an hour and a half and we'll see how these come out. So I'm wrapping up my big sous vide experiment, and the first thing that I wanted to conclude on is my INKBIRD, because even though I used 3 different containers and 4 different sealers for the meats and stuff, this was the common thread through everything, and it absolutely crushed everything I asked of it. I will also say, because it is a really powerful unit, it is more important if you go with a larger container like this, because it can take a little while to get all this water up to temperature, and when you have something powerful like this, it definitely does make a big difference in terms of that time. So if you're looking for a sous vide circulator, this INKBIRD is the one you should get. I'm going to include a link here on the screen. There's another one down in the description. This is not sponsored. I bought this myself and I absolutely love it, so I would definitely endorse it. If you want to get this, cannot possibly go wrong with it. If I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments, are you a steak addict like me, like we have just absolutely loved making steak after steak after steak, or do you have something else more ornate that you're going to make with your sous vide experiment? Put that in the comments. We really want to hear about that. I hope this video has been helpful. We'll see you in the next one.